I very well know Estonia. We actually have got few offices in Estonia as well, dealing with air freight and sea freight. For me, the most important thing is actually, if I should get in touch or somebody should get in touch with me, is to send an email and just explain what is actually the target for, what you said, for the meeting, or for the target for what to do together. Then I will always read the email 24/7, and then I will respond.
Okay.
And then I think it's a good idea to have a conference call afterwards, or just a call. But I actually think it's a very good idea to have a kind of conference with focus on import-export Estonia, and then we can invite some what you said, mutual customer to a kind of event of this one, and just to share the knowledge and the expectation and so on. And actually there's some very good relation between Estonia and Denmark, and I think it's a good idea to develop the already existing dialogue we have with our friends in Estonia.